What's up, guys? John Fields from John's Daily Hustle here. I'm in Fields Lawn Care and Landscape out of Springfield, Missouri. So, the starter weed eater that I ran with, the little Echo GT 1100, the residential unit, I ended up selling it and going with something else. I ended up upgrading. The main problem I was having with this weed eater is, as you can see, it's curved shaft, so I really have to kind of get down low, and you can kind of see I'm hunched over to do that, because I'm kind of, I'm a taller guy. So I really need a straight shaft, because me standing up straight, I really can't get it. It's kind of awkward. Plus, because this is a residential unit, it just wasn't keeping up with my commercial use. So I ended up going with the Echo PAS 225, and here's why. Why did I go with the Echo PAS 225? Well, I like the price, so I got it on sale, right after I got going. My little residential Echo, the GT 1100, it also, not only was it too small for me, but it also just couldn't hold up. I used it 2 or 3 times, and its lack of power and lack of, grunt force really showed. So I try not to be too brand specific, especially in the beginning. I ended up just really liking the price of the Echo. I got it on sale. It was just at $200, I believe, for that one. And it was the attachment series, which I liked, because I knew I was going to run the edger on it on some of my commercial properties. So I ended up getting the edger attachment for it as well. And so far it runs really good. Now, right out of the box, using it, I will say that it does have a little bit of lack of power, but compared to what I was running, it has a lot more power. Now, somewhere down the road, I would like to get my hands on a second weed eater to run, a straight shaft, a good commercial unit, to run, whether that's my main one and I use this one as my backup one, or just use the attachments on my backup one. I would still like to get a second weed eater. I would still like to use a second weed eater just to have to where if somebody comes out and helps me, we can run 2 weed eaters if I ever get a helper, or if something happens, I just have a backup weed eater. So it's always nice to have, but that's a little ways down the road. So comment below what you guys run. What type of weed eaters do you run and why? Do you have a reason why, or do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. But as always, thanks for watching. See you.